So our friend Kathy came by and dropped off her brand new, just picked up from the dealer, KTM 390 Adventure here. So this gives us a chance to kind of test fit some gear. Just right off the bat, I grabbed a few things out of our showroom and just set them on here because they just fit perfectly. All I had to do was essentially set them on the bike. So really liking the proportions of the Diablo Tank Bag on this bike. The Fandango, same footprint, fit is the same, but just a little taller. So if you need the extra space, great option, but kind of dig in the Diablo in terms of being really nicely proportioned to this particular bike. There's a little better angle on that. And I have the Great Basin sitting on there, essentially exactly where the passenger would go, not really giving up any seat space. It's packed to maximum volume. I usually like to kind of keep the top middle section only partially filled. That gives me a little extra space at the end of the day to grab some groceries or whatever. And then that way it's also not really intruding into my riding space either. So Apostle's pouch strapped to the leg of the Great Basin to provide some waterproof external pockets. You can do this with any of our saddlebags. They integrate right in to the built-in lash tabs there. Included straps. Again, our Rogue dry bag integrates right into the saddlebag using the compression straps on the saddlebag. One of the super handy things about our dry bags is that you can just leave them strapped on and you can access your gear from either end. You know, they unroll from either end, so you can just leave it there, maybe loosen the straps, but just open it up. And so if you're organized, you can know exactly what's in one half and what's in the other, and get to it without having to unstrap and dig from one end to the other. So big advantage, super convenient. Here's a new Apostle's pouch with the new graphic, and I think that it's going to work perfectly right here on the stock engine guard, same as it does on essentially all the kind of newer KTM adventure models, the 1190, 1090. But yeah, that is a convenient location to add a little bit more space. Pannier pockets are going to fit right in here and integrate into the harness of the tank bag. Zigzag handlebar bag would fit really nicely here. Bushwhacker hand guards, of course, are going to strap right over here to give your hands extra protection if you're in the wind or rain or cold. Great platform. Kathy's already just in love with this new bike. Hearing really good reviews and reports. Lots of aftermarket upgrades in the works, it sounds like, too, including wire wheels, etc. So there's pass one with the KTM 390 Adventure. Go light, go fast, go far. Check out giantloopmoto.com. Thanks for riding with us.